Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just like chilling at home, obviously quarantine. I have on my boyfriend's like hoodie, it's huge, and it's just the office. So I just made my bed. It is such a pretty day today, so I'm about to just go take a quick shower real quick and then get ready for the day. I just got out the shower, so now it's time to pick out which pair of sweats I'm gonna wear today. Guys, so I spent the whole like afternoon yesterday organizing my refrigerator. I want this entire top shelf to be nothing but drinks. I need to get like some stuff to put here. So I'm thinking maybe like, I don't know, like cold brew or something. And then I just have it all nice and organized. And then also over here is nice and organized as well. Love that. Love a good organized fridge. I also put this cookbook out on my kitchen counter. I am obsessed with Ina Garten. Like, I don't think anyone understands like how obsessed I am with her. When I went back home, I just like found all my cookbooks of hers, which are right here, and also Bobby Flay's. So I brought those back with me. I've been cooking a lot and watching her a lot. She's my all-time favorite. If I ever got the opportunity to meet her, I think I would cry, like literally cry. Then I found these at the grocery store the other day. They're brioche chocolate croissants, and I put them in the toaster this morning to like have with some coffee, and it was so good. Like, oh, I love croissants. I just want to go to like France so bad and have like fresh croissants from there. So Sephora's having like their spring sale going on right now, so I'm just getting a few things that I need. I think I'm gonna get this bronzer from Fenty. It looks so bomb and the reviews are really good, so I kind of really want to try that out. But my entire lounge outfit that I'm wearing today is from Brandy Melville. It's from Brandy Melville. I just have on some joggers and this gray long sleeve, so living it up. So I made some iced tea. It's just a raspberry leaf tea with lemon and honey, and it is so freaking good. I'm watching Barefoot Contessa. So it's a little bit later in the day. I just got done editing and uploading a vlog, so you guys would have already seen it by the time this is up. But I am back with the Sephora website. I'm placing an order for my mom now, but I really need to do my makeup because I have to shoot some photos today for Instagram, but I'm just kind of doing everything else but. I don't know how I should do my hair for these photos. This is my natural hair. My natural hair is like really wavy. I kind of want to leave it natural, but I feel like it needs to be like tamed down a bit. So if you guys know, like, so if any of you have like wavy hair, please tell me how you keep it tamed, because like some of the pieces are like way wavier than the others, and it just looks messy, and it just looks like all messy and stuff, which is fine, but I just feel like it needs to look a little better. And I need to go and find my computer charger because my computer is dying and it's in the middle of uploading a photo and I don't know what I did with my charger. Whoa, I look so red. It's the lighting in my closet. It's horrible. Got it. Okay, forgot to turn the light off. Alright, I need to plug this in before it dies. When I was going through all my books, I found this book. I got this off at like Nasty Gal. It's called Girl Boss. It is such a good book. I never finished it though. Like, I was so close to like finishing it, and then I just like forgot about it. So I rediscovered it and I'm gonna finish it. And then I came across this book. It has like on like nutrition and like glowy skin and stuff. It's just a really good book. So if you guys like books, those two are really freaking bomb. So 10 years later, I'm doing my makeup. Just like so nice outside today, guys. I'm just like so tired today. Don't know why. So these dark circles really need to be covered up. I'm like really in the mood for pizza today. I made a pizza, like a homemade pizza, a few weeks ago, but I really needed to like perfect the crust. It was just like not there for me. So I might try to like make another one tonight and like see how it comes out. If you guys have like any good pizza crust recipes, let me know. I did use like almond flour. I was trying to make like a really healthy one, but it was just like not working out very well. Really don't know what I want to do with my makeup. I don't know if I want to go like full glam or like more on the natural side. I just really don't know what I'm wanting to do with this. I guess I'm just gonna wing it, see what happens. I've gotten a lot of stuff done today, which is really good. I really just want to like lay around and not do anything, but I've been very productive. I'm just quite proud of myself for that. I'm like such a nerd. I have really been into video games recently, especially Call of Duty. I have been playing it like every single day. It's like become bad. Like I'll play for hours. I'm like addicted to it right now. It's terrible. But I actually just like really like it, and now I understand why like guys are always like, I want to go play Call of Duty, because I get it now. Like I really get it. I haven't used this blush in so long, but it is just like so bright and pink. And now since I have like a slight tan, I feel like this is gonna look very nice. So I'm very excited to use this today. What is like the #1 product you guys can't live without? Like mine would definitely be like highlighter, or maybe like the Glossier Boy Brow. It's like my fave thing. I'm obsessed with this lip gloss by Philosophy. It's coconut frosting, and I love the smell of coconut. It reminds me of summer, and oh, it's so good. It goes on so nice. It's just like a clear gloss, which I'm like really into right now, so this is it. I wish I could just like ask you guys now if I should keep my hair like this or if I should do something else. The struggle, but you guys are gonna be watching this like way later, so I just don't know what to do. But I do need a snack. I have like an hour. What time is it? It's like 3:30. I have like an hour until Bo gets back, and then we can shoot my photos. So I need to go make myself a snack real quick. So I'm gonna go watch an episode of Gossip Girl. I got my snack. I made myself a bowl of cereal. It's by the brand Kashi or Kashi. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it is so good. It's like cinnamon clusters or something like that. But I'm about to literally eat my cereal in the bed and be a bum and go and watch an episode of Gossip Girl, because favorite show. So I got a package in from All Darling. So excited to open this. Oh my gosh. Even the paper is so cute. Look at this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. So I got this shirt. It's like a jacket shirt. It's like cropped, long sleeve, black. It's so cute. I cannot wait to wear this. Oh my gosh, how cute. They literally have the best stuff ever, I swear. So I made a little snack for me and Bo. We're gonna eat this and enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. Okay, I got all my photos done and shot for today. Just taking off my makeup real quick while Bo is watching dinner / helping make dinner. And then I think we're gonna go and watch Friends. I think we have like 2 seasons left of it, and then we've watched it like all the way through. So that is what we are about to do right now. So I'm just gonna finish taking my makeup off and then go chill. Good morning, guys. It's now the next day. I'm drinking my coffee. Just doing a little work online this morning, and it's another really pretty day. So I thought that I would vlog a little bit today too. I wasn't planning on like extending the day, but I don't really have anything else going on, so I figured why not. So that is what we are doing. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish my coffee and enjoy this beautiful morning. So I just started a load of dishes, so I have those in the dishwasher, and now I'm just trying to like clean up the living room. I'm about to go watch a couple of YouTube videos, and I cleaned the kitchen. Hold on, where can I put you guys? There you go. Let's see, always have to fluff these pillows out. I got some online stuff done. So I'm getting kind of, whoa, why am I out of focus? I'm just about to get like a snack real quick. Sorry if the dishwasher is really loud. I just started a load of dishes. I really need to charge my computer. So Okay, now I'm gonna go watch some YouTube. A little bit later in the day, I'm gonna use some of my Mario Badescu facial toner. It smells so good. But my dishes just got done, so I'm gonna go and put those up. I'm just like letting my skin breathe today. It's just, I don't know. I feel like I don't want to put on any makeup and I just want like my skin to breathe and be all glowy and hydrated. Might do a face mask, I don't know. We'll see if we're feeling it. I'm just about to put away the dishes and all that fun stuff. Guys, these protein bars are amazing. They're from Garden of Life, and there is literally 20 grams of protein in this. And they're also plant-based, which I really like. I really like the chocolate fudge, I really like the mint, and they have like a caramel one that's really good. And I just eat these, it's like a little snack, and they are so bomb. I'm about to go read some of my book real quick, and I just posted an Insta pic for you guys. This was the pic that I had shot yesterday, so I just posted that one real quick, but guys, look what I came across. This is from when me and Bo went to the Food and Wine Festival. Oh my gosh, I just miss it so much. Like when we went to Germany, we have our little stickers from like everywhere we went. And it's just like so cute. In Italy, oh my gosh, I miss Italy. Oh man, I cannot wait to go back. We just got done playing video games. And now I'm about to go make some Thai food. Hi. What's up? I'm just boiling some noodles for my Thai food tonight. I'm doing like it's like noodles with like vegetables and a peanut sauce. So we'll see how that is tonight. So this is what the Thai food looks like. Looks pretty good to me. It literally looks so terrible outside right now. It's about to storm. So I'm gonna go ahead real quick and take a quick shower. Just got out of the shower. I feel so nice now. Put on my lip mask. I made me and Bo a snack. I just cut up some bread and then I made a homemade garlic and herb cheese spread, which is so good. And then we're just gonna have like other stuff with it, but we're gonna go eat our little snack. So I was just editing my video and realized I forgot to film an outro as usual. So I wanted to jump on here and thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. Alright, bye guys.
Late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.